back with another video. How you doing? How you been? I hope life is treating you well. I hope you've been taking care of yourself, handling your business, all of that good stuff, okay? Just take care of you at the end of the day. And if you're new here, I hope you've been doing well too, but welcome. My name is QUEENDEE. The RoyalFam is what I call my supporters and my subscribers. So if you're not a part of the RoyalFam, by the end of this video, I'm going to need you to be, okay? Because, come on now, everybody needs a little family in their life. So join the RoyalFam. That means hitting that subscribe button and hitting that bell so you don't miss out when I post. And go ahead and follow me on my social media as well. It's always in the front of the video, in the back of the video, down below in the description, and it's going to be on the screen here as well, so there is no excuses. Follow your girl on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. We can be friends all over the place, okay? And please make sure, whether you new or you old, before you leave this video, please hit that thumbs up button as well. Smash the like button. Smash it, smash it, smash it, smash it, smash it, smash it. Okay, but we got a video for y'all, so stay tuned. Keep on watching for the video. Okay, y'all. So your girl is out here doing her thing, or trying to. So Teami Blends, I know y'all heard of them. Teami Blends reached out to me and was like, we would love for you to try our products and tell us what you think. So this is going to be an unboxing video. I am so grateful. I'm not being paid for this, y'all, but this is like a big step. Teami Blends, like, I've seen all the big people, you know, doing things with Teami Blends and stuff. I would have never thought to be here, but I am. So Teami Blends, thank you for this opportunity. We're about to get unboxing. So I have not opened this package yet. I just got it the other day, so we're going to open it together. I was able to pick the products that I wanted to try, but I haven't opened it. So in here, I got an invoice. It just says, let me color that up. Invoice, and it just saying like what I got in here. Whew, that. And then, let me take out the box. It's a box in a box. So it's a box in a box. So in the box, it says Detox Starter Pack, and it says Teami on the bottom. So open it up. It says, let the journey be. Oops, let the journey begin. Y'all can't see that. Let the journey begin, and then the products are in there. So first thing I see is the Teami tumbler on the go. I got the baby pink one, of course, because y'all know pink is my favorite color. But it just looks like that. And show you how to use it and stuff. And all of that. You could put tea or fruit in it, which I appreciate, because your girl's trying to be more healthy. And then, oh, so it comes with a little steeper for the tea, because I got the tea, the 30-day detox tea. So it comes with a little pink steeper, y'all. This is cute. I'm excited, y'all. And I'm not a tea drinker, so this is going to definitely be interesting. We're going to be in this together, y'all. And then, of course, we got the tea. We got the tea. So I have and it comes with a little detox calendar to keep me on track for my 30-day detox, y'all. And it just tells you the plan. So it tells you the benefits of doing the colon and the skinny detox. So I have the Teami colon here, which is going to cleanse out my colon and get my colon right. And then I have the Teami skinny, which is going to get me looking right. I hope it's going to get me looking right. That's the plan. To detox this body and get me looking right. I dropped the paper. Oh, y'all. So, yeah. I'm the person who, when I was looking at, when I would see people talking about Teami, and, you should buy it, I was skeptical, because I was like, y'all just saying that because y'all getting paid. But I'm not getting paid for this. So this is all going to be honesty. Like, I'm really going to try this. I'm really going to do it and see if it works, if it gives me some type of results. Because I'm an ordinary person, so I have no reason to be out here lying to y'all. So The tips, it says drink your Teami Skinny every morning, best before breakfast, to boost your metabolism, raise your energy, and suppress your cravings naturally. Reuse your Teami Skinny leaves 1 to 3 times daily by adding more hot water to your tumbler. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Teami colon tips. Drink your Teami colon before bed, starting on day 2 of your detox. Steep your Teami colon for 1 to 3 minutes, then remove it from the mug. Continuously increase the steep time gradually based on your body. 1 to 3 minutes as the starting point. The longer you let your Teami colon steep, the more toxins you will remove. So, I'm ready, y'all. Like, I'm going to start this. I don't know when this is going to be posted. When this is posted, I may have already started. But I'm definitely going to be keeping up with it on my Instagram, letting y'all know how I'm feeling about it. And then I'm definitely going to do an update video, maybe in the middle, and then definitely at the end of the 30 days. But I'm excited, y'all. Like, this is going to be a journey, definitely. I'm excited, and I really hope I stick to it, because I don't really like tea like that. Like, I'll drink sweet tea, but I'm not like a hot tea drinker at all. So this one is interesting. But I'm ready. So thank you, Teami, for reaching out, because this is definitely something I'm excited for, to see what happens, what benefits I reap from this. So if y'all want to start this journey with me, or if y'all want to participate, I will leave the information for Teami in the description box, so y'all can definitely check them out and see. I do have a discount code for y'all, so if y'all want to try the tea out, or they have like some protein type stuff as well, I'm gonna link it in the description, so y'all can check them out. Use the discount code, get a discount on your order. But this is gonna be exciting, y'all. Like, we gotta look good, because I got places to go in 2021. Okay, I have trips to take and places to go, and I need to be looking right. So we're gonna see if this helps me look right. But yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, concerns, all of that good stuff. If you tried Teami, let me know if it worked for you, if it didn't work for you, or what you got from it also. So I'm gonna see you on the next video. Love y'all.